Hello everyone! Hi, have a good day. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today, let's see what I will showing to you. Okay. Today I want to share with you this our product. This is the control valve. Yes, if you are interested about it, please follow me. Let's check the details first. Okay. On this part, as you can see, this is our packaging bags, right? We pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. And on this part, as you can see, there has a label on the packaging bags. The first line of the label is the Shumatt logo. Yeah, if you want to print your own logos, yes, just contact us because we can satisfy your demands. Like, we can help you to design the logo, the labels, and the packaging bags, and so on. Yes, we always try to satisfy our customers' demands. Okay. On this part is the product model numbers. It's F00VC01362, and product name is the common rail valve. And on this line is application injector numbers. The number is 0445110302 and 0445110303. Okay. On this part is a QR code. If you want to know more information, please use your phone to scan it. This is other information on the label. Okay, I thought it's time to open it for our viewers. Okay, please follow me. Dun, 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 dun. This is our product. Okay, we package with little transparent bottles, right? Yes, it just reminds me, sometimes in the seas, and you will find a bottle, right? It had a letter on the bottle, and maybe it's write something. Okay, I will open it. Let's see what's the inside part. Wow, this is inside. It has oil paper, but the oil paper don't write anything. Okay. This is the control valve. Yeah, we seal the whole side of the control valve, but also we seal in the separate part. The separate part, this is our valve cap. Yes, for our valve caps, you can see there has a coating and with the curved letters. Good qualities. And this is a valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths, we have different size. If you have the demand, like if you want the other size, you can contact us. Yes, we can make the customized services for you. Yes. Okay, that's all the details about our product. Actually, we have many models of product, right? If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us product code or the numbers, and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app to find more detailed information. Actually, by the way, about our product, we have the 6 months warranty. So, if you are the customers, if you want to buy our product, you worry about the qualities, and don't worry about that, because we supply the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, okay? And we can return it and exchange it for you. I hear about the control valve. Actually, I have 3 tapes I want to share with you. The first tape is if you want to clean the spare part and the injector, you better use oil to clean it, okay? And the second tape is if you want to install the control valve and make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after assembly inject bodies. And the third tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. And actually, except that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, including the control ball we are showing today. Yes, any items, if you are interested, remember to contact us, okay? Yeah. And actually each week we have videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you like my videos, and you can follow us, okay? Follow at our channel, and every week you can see our product introductions, and I want to share with you. And okay, so much for today's product introductions. Yes, feel free to contact us. And thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.